Okay, hi. I just got a package from Amazon. Hello, buddy. And I'm going to open it. So this is a set I saw. I forget where I saw it. I think I saw it on St. Louis Art Supply, but I ended up getting it through Amazon. The Gansai Tambi watercolors, but it's a set of, what they call it, Art Nouveau colors. I think they're new because I haven't been able to see them sold, singularly. And that looks Art Nouveau. Anyway, look how pretty. You know that? That one looks like fluorescent. So I'm just going to take this off. You can see the pretty colors. Listen to my chair squeak. So what I thought I would do is use each of the colors in a stained glass piece. So I pre-drew this on my stone paper. So just a little, like a rose or a tulip or something. And I made enough squares for 24, so each color can be used once in the design. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I used one of every color and they go really well together. I think there's a little too much beige and brown for my liking, but I love this orange. I love the red, I like the blues, I like this color. It's like parchment, I guess. Yeah, so I don't know did they list names on that thing? What is that paper? Oh yeah. So saffron yellow, green gold, flax beige, ecru beige, pale pink, coral pink, potter's pink, vermilion, alizarin crimson. What? This one? Really? Mauve taupe, old mauve, grayish blue, cobalt turquoise light, pale aqua, cobalt green, billiard green, shadow green, pea green, ivy green, green gray, beige gray, yellow brown, Mars yellow, and Venetian red. Mars yellow, that's gorgeous. Yeah, so anyway, that's it. Hope that was interesting. I just wanted to play with these new paints because these are so much fun to work with in this book. So I love making them. They've got such a nice creamy consistency. I just love playing around and making like the stained glass thing in there. So anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.